Molded parts will shrink after the hot molded plastic is ejected from the mold and allowed to cool. To compensate for this shrinkage, you can apply a scale feature to make your part model slightly larger. Let's take a look at how scale is applied. The scale feature can be found on the Molds toolbar or from the Insert Feature drop-down menu. In the Scale Property Manager, you can specify either the part centroid, origin, or a custom coordinate system to scale about. I'll use the centroid for this example. If you have the option of scaling the part uniformly in all directions or specifying a different scale factor for the X, Y, and Z directions. Deciding whether to use uniform or non-uniform scaling depends on the geometry of your part as well as the material you'll be using in your mold. Keep in mind that if you do use non-uniform scaling, you will be changing the shape of your model and will likely deform features such as cylinders. In this case, I'll be using uniform scaling. To specify the magnitude of the scale feature, you enter a scale factor. A scale factor of 2 makes the part twice as large, while a scale factor of 0.5 makes the part half of its original size. In this case, I want to make this part 4% larger. The scale factor that will achieve this is 1.04. I'll click OK and the part is scaled up. Notice that this part is an imported solid body. Had this been a native SOLIDWORKS part file with a complete listing of features, the behavior of the scale feature would be exactly the same. Also notice that the scale feature appears in the Feature Manager tree like any other feature. It is an operation that makes the part larger or smaller at the time it is applied. Scale does not affect the size of any previously existing features or sketches. In fact, if you take the rollback bar and move it above the scale feature, the part will return to its pre-scale size.